the deadliest air disaster of all time. On March 27, 1977, on the Canary Islands, Tenerife, it happened, the deadliest air disaster of all time. The irony is that the accident happened on the ground. Two jumbo jets, one from KLM, Netherlands Dutch airline, and the other, Pan American Airways, collided on the runway. This is how it happened. Both airplanes were parked at one end of the runway, and because the ramp at Los Rodeos Airport was congested, both aircraft have to taxi the runway itself. Air traffic control ordered the KLM to go first and wait when it got to the far end of the runway. The Pan Am will follow behind, but it would turn off the runway about 3/4 of the way along to allow the KLM to take off. As the Pan Am entered the runway and its turn, clouds start to roll down from the surrounding hills. The American pilots soon found themselves crawling into the dense mist looking for the turnoff. By now, the KLM plane had already reached the far end, turned, and it was anxious to be on his way. The high experienced captain, Jacob Van Santen, started his takeoff without air traffic control clearance and thinking that the Pan Am was clear of the runway. As the Pan Am co-pilot, Bob Braggs, saw the KLM aircraft coming towards them, he yelled to his captain, "Get out, get out!" The KLM captain tried to leave his aircraft, but it was too late. Both planes crashed on the runway, killing 583 people. How such an experienced captain like Van Santen made such a blunder? It is an unanswered question because Captain Van Santen died with all his passengers in this ill-fated flight. Thank you.